Hi, this is Rob Leo, and in this 2-minute drill, I'm going to show you how you can use rubrics within Google Classroom assignments to give targeted feedback to students. Let me share my screen with you. I'm going to my classwork page where I've already got a draft of an assignment drawn up here. Let me just edit. And down at the bottom, I'm going to add a rubric to this assignment. When you add a rubric, you can create one from scratch. If you do so, you can build it right within the rubric editor. You can add levels to your rubric, you can add descriptions, and you can add criterion or categories. I'm not going to go through that process now, but I'll reuse a rubric that I've created for a different class. Notice I don't have any in this particular class. I'm just going to click the drop-down arrow, and I'm going to search for a rubric that I've already created. I'm going to select the Regents Essay rubric and select it. And now that it's attached to my assignment, I'm going to assign it to the student. Before I do so, I just want to make sure that I make a copy for every student so they all have their own editable version, and now I'll assign. Let's take a look at what the student would see. We're going to look on the classwork page. We're going to see that an assignment has been posted. There is a rubric attached. You view that assignment. And you'll notice that the rubric appears to the student. If I want to bring up the criteria, you can see what the introduction and conclusion are worth on a 5-point scale. You can see what the task is worth. These are the categories. These are the point values. These are the descriptions, and so forth and so on. Let's say the student turns their work in. And we'll look back at the teacher view for grading. Just refresh the page. And when the teacher opens up the assignment, they can open up the particular student's work, and their grading rubric will appear right below the grading panel down below. I made this a 100-point assignment. In fact, it should have been a 25-point assignment. If I was to redo this, I would change the point value to 25 rather than 100. Thanks for listening, and I hope you found this useful.